1958 Porsche 356 Convertible D Replica. Price, $20,000. Location, Circleville, Ohio.
April 24th, quick walk around of the Intermechanica Porsche 356 Convertible D Speedster.
Combining iconic European styling with modern turbocharged performance, this 1958 Porsche 356 Convertible D Intermechanica Replica delivers the timeless look of one of Porsche's most celebrated roadsters while benefiting from contemporary engineering underneath. Built by Intermechanica in 1992, the car is powered by a JDM Subaru 2.0-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine equipped with a water-to-air intercooler, providing impressive power, quick throttle response, and reliability far beyond the original air-cooled setup. A Porsche 911 5-speed transaxle transfers power smoothly to the rear wheels, creating a true sports car driving experience with excellent gear spacing and highway capability. Performance is further enhanced by Porsche 914 Brembo disc brakes on all four corners, delivering strong stopping power and modern safety. 1956 Volkswagen Baja Beetle. Price, $6,999. Mileage, 30,000 miles. Location, Linden, Michigan. Showcasing classic Volkswagen charm with rugged Baja Beetle personality, this 1956 Volkswagen Beetle has been extensively refreshed and built to be a dependable, fun-to-drive vintage cruiser. Power comes from a rebuilt 1,600 cubic centimeters dual-port air-cooled flat-4 engine, a popular upgrade known for improved breathing, reliability, and stronger performance compared to the original smaller displacement motors. Supporting the fresh engine are numerous new components including a carburetor, alternator, distributor, ignition coil, spark plugs, wires, and fuel filters, ensuring dependable operation and easy maintenance. The braking system has also been renewed with new brakes and brake lines, while the fuel tank has been refurbished for added reliability. 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $9,000. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Meadville, Texas. Bursting with classic beach cruiser attitude and lightweight performance, this 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy is built for open-air fun both on the street and in the sand. Fresh from a recent restoration, the buggy is powered by a newly rebuilt Volkswagen air-cooled flat-4 engine, delivering the simple reliability, distinctive exhaust note, and lively character that made VW-based buggies famous around the world. A rebuilt manual transmission provides crisp gear changes and full driver engagement, making every ride feel connected and exciting. Finished in bright red with a black interior, the buggy has the unmistakable appearance of a vintage sand machine, combining rugged simplicity with eye-catching style. Its lightweight construction allows the engine to deliver spirited performance while maintaining easy handling and excellent maneuverability. 1962 Lotus Super 7 Replica. Price, $69,900. Mileage, 4,000 miles. Location, New Haven, Connecticut. Engineered as a one-of-a-kind custom build, this 1962 Lotus Super 7 replica combines the legendary lightweight philosophy of the original British sports car with the brutal power of modern American V8 performance. Under the hood sits a 500-horsepower LS1 Corvette all-aluminum V8, delivering explosive acceleration in a chassis weighing only about 2,214 pounds, creating an astonishing power-to-weight ratio that rivals many modern supercars. A 4-speed automatic transmission channels that power smoothly to a Corvette rear end, providing durability and impressive traction. Disc brakes at all 4 corners ensure confident stopping performance, while the lightweight construction allows the car to respond instantly to steering and throttle inputs. The custom cockpit features a beautifully crafted wood-grain dashboard and a removable steering wheel, blending race-inspired functionality with classic sports car character. 2010 Hot Rod Roadster Club Car. Price, $4,200. Location, Flower Mound, Texas. Capturing the unmistakable spirit of a classic American hot rod in a compact and highly entertaining package, this custom-built 2010 Hot Rod Roadster Club Car is a true attention grabber wherever it goes. Featuring a professionally crafted full fiberglass roadster body, the cart delivers vintage styling with modern reliability, creating the look of a miniature custom street rod that stands apart from ordinary golf carts. A fully customized front suspension improves ride quality and handling, while the custom steering wheel and upgraded wheels add both comfort and visual appeal. Modern LED headlights provide excellent visibility, and the stylish teardrop LED taillights give the Roadster a distinctive retro appearance that looks especially impressive after sunset. The rear seat increases passenger capacity and versatility, making it ideal for cruising with family and friends at car shows, campgrounds, gated communities, resorts, or local events. 1977 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible Turbo. Price, $17,000. Location, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Blending classic air-cooled charm with serious performance upgrades, this 1977 Volkswagen Beetle convertible has been transformed into a turbocharged, fuel-injected street machine with an unexpected level of engineering depth. Power reportedly comes from a built 2,332 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine, a well-known high-performance VW configuration capable of producing significantly more torque and horsepower than stock. Forced induction is handled by a turbocharging system paired with CB performance fuel injection, giving the engine a modernized fueling setup designed for stronger response and tuning flexibility. A Gene Berg-built 4-speed manual transmission with a short-throw shifter transfers power to the rear wheels, delivering a more precise and performance-focused driving experience than standard Beetle setups. Custom-built gas golf cart. Price, $6,000. Location, Templeton, Massachusetts. Built far beyond a typical golf cart, this custom frame-up creation transforms a utility vehicle into a rugged, off-road capable mini-machine with real mechanical upgrades and attention to detail. Power is provided by a Kawasaki FE290 single-cylinder gas engine, a proven and reliable unit commonly used in club car platforms, known for its durability and steady torque delivery. A club car rear end paired with a custom 3-link suspension and panhard bar setup gives the cart improved stability and articulation compared to standard factory designs. Coilover nitrogen-charged rear shocks and upgraded front shocks help smooth out rough terrain while maintaining control during aggressive driving. 1931 Alfa Romeo B2300 Monza Replica. Price, $15,000. Location, Greenwood, South Carolina. Blending vintage European race car styling with classic Volkswagen reliability underneath. This 1931 Alfa Romeo B2300 Monza Replica delivers an eye-catching interpretation of early Grand Prix design built on a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle chassis. Power comes from the original air-cooled VW flat-4 engine, a simple and durable drivetrain known for easy maintenance and smooth, low-displacement cruising. The engine is paired with a manual Volkswagen transaxle, which provides a classic driving feel, though it currently requires double clutching between second and third gear, suggesting a potential linkage or throw-out bearing adjustment. 2000 Plymouth Prowler Roadster 2D. Price, $45,000. Mileage, 21,000 miles. Location, Siloam Springs, Arkansas. Rolling out of the custom hot rod world with serious attitude, the Plymouth Prowler shows up here as a flame-painted street cruiser that looks more like a rolling sculpture than a factory car. The exterior wears a bold red and yellow custom flame paint job that instantly grabs attention, paired with bright chrome wheels and polished swing arm covers that emphasize its futuristic hot rod stance. A black convertible top completes the aggressive yet playful look, making it equally ready for cruise nights or car shows. Under the hood sits a 3.5L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering dependable power with an easy, relaxed driving feel. The drivetrain is tuned more for style and cruising enjoyment than raw speed, but it still delivers enough punch to keep the drive engaging while maintaining solid efficiency. With rear-wheel drive hot rod architecture and modern reliability, it blends show car personality with everyday usability in a way few custom builds can match. Inside, the cabin keeps things simple and driver-focused, matching the exterior's bold personality without overcomplicating the experience.